Hey everyone, today let's talk about a new role that's becoming absolutely critical at the intersection of AI and privacy, the Certified AI Data Protection Officer. If you're a professional in privacy, compliance, or the legal field, trust me, what we're about to cover is going to be essential for where your career is headed.
You know this quote right here? It really hits the nail on the head. It perfectly captures the two sides of the AI coin. This incredible opportunity on one side and this massive, massive risk on the other. And just think about it for a second. AI isn't some sci-fi concept from a movie anymore. It's here, right now. It's in the background of your bank's fraud detection, it's helping doctors and hospitals, and it's shaping what you see when you shop online. It's already part of our daily lives. But here's the catch. With all this speed comes a whole new set of dangers. We're talking about things like algorithms that can accidentally discriminate, or AI making decisions inside a black box that literally nobody can explain. And of course, the ever-present threat of huge regulatory fines if you get it wrong. The stakes are just getting higher and higher. And you better believe the regulators have noticed. They are not sitting on the sidelines. We've got the huge EU AI Act, new laws popping up in the US, constant updates to GDPR. The rulebook is getting thicker and more complicated like every single day.
So this all leads to the big question, doesn't it? For a professional like you, how do you take all your knowledge of classic privacy law and apply it to this brand new, fast-moving world of AI? How do you become that essential bridge between the old rules and the new technology?
Well, that's where this comes in, the Certified AI Data Protection Officer, or CAIDPO. And look, this is way more than just a new title for your LinkedIn profile. It represents a totally new kind of expert, the one person the organization can actually trust to guide them through the minefield of AI governance.
Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. Hang on, I'm already a DPO. Isn't this already my job? And that's a fair point. But the honest truth is, AI brings a whole set of challenges to the table that traditional data protection just wasn't built to handle. Let's break this down because the difference is huge. A traditional DPO is focused on data processing as we've always known it. The AI DPO has to go so much deeper. You're looking at algorithmic fairness, the unique risks of training data, auditing AI vendors. It's a complete and necessary evolution of the role.
So, at the end of the day, what does this certification really give you? It's not just skills, it's authority. It's the recognized credibility to stand in front of your leadership and confidently guide the company's AI strategy, making sure it's not just powerful, but also safe and responsible.
So how do we get you there? It's all about mastering these core competencies. You'll learn how to actually spot and fix algorithmic bias. You'll build risk assessments specifically for AI models. You'll know exactly what to look for when auditing an AI vendor. These are the practical skills that companies are desperate for right now.
And listen, we're not just talking about high-level theory here. The whole point is to give you practical tools that you can put to work literally the next day you're in the office.
You literally walk away with a ready-to-go toolkit. We're talking about templates for AI risk registers, special ROPAs for AI models, templates for explainability reports, and checklists for vendor compliance. These aren't just documents, they're your new arsenal.
So you might be asking yourself, okay, is this really for me? Well, take a look at this list. If you're a privacy pro, in-house counsel, a compliance leader in IT security, or even a product manager working on AI, then yes, absolutely. This was designed specifically to build on the expertise you already have. And what does this mean for your career? We're talking about a serious step up. This is your direct path to senior leadership roles that are popping up everywhere. Positions like AI governance manager or chief privacy officer with AI expertise. These are becoming the most strategic roles in the entire company.
And the demand? It is exploding, especially in finance, healthcare, and retail. Every one of these industries is scrambling to find people who can manage the risk of their AI systems. The opportunity is massive, and it's happening right now.
Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. You're probably thinking, this all sounds amazing, but I'm not a data scientist. I can't code. Do I need to be some kind of AI guru to even start?
And the answer is a very clear no, absolutely not. In fact, that's the whole point. This course was built from the ground up for people like you, the privacy, legal, and compliance experts. We translate all that complex AI jargon into the practical, actionable language you need to do your job. All right, another great question. Is this just an EU thing or a US thing? How relevant is this certification on a global scale?
Yes, 100%. The curriculum is built on a foundation of the most important international rules and standards.
We're talking GDPR, the EU AI Act, CCPA, key ISO standards. This ensures that the skills you learn are valuable and recognized no matter where in the world you are.
So here's the bottom line. AI governance is not a nice-to-have anymore, it's a must-have, and companies are desperately searching for people to lead the way. You have a choice to make. You can become that indispensable, future-ready leader they are looking for. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and secure your place at the front of this revolution.